Find the median of the following frequency distribution table. We will find the median. In this one is given the class interval frequency. Next column we will write the cumulative frequency. What is the cumulative frequency? How to write cumulative frequency? Here, first number you write as it is 6. Next 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5. First you write number as it is. Next number 6 plus 5. What is the answer? It is 11. Next 11 plus 9. 11 plus 9 means 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 plus 2, 26. This is the cumulative frequency. Properly write. First number write as it is. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 plus 24 plus 2, 26. This is the column over 3 columns. Median finding the class interval frequency. We will write the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. After what we will do? This frequency total n is equal to, you will get 26. This cumulative last frequency, last number, frequency number, total also you will get the same. This is same. So n is equal to 26. First we will find the n by 2. Carefully listen. N by 2 first we will find. N means what? 26. 26 by 2. 26 by 2 means it is the 13. N by 2 is the 13. Okay, see here. 13 after in cumulative frequency you observe it. Where is the 13 chance is there? Here 13 chance. 13 means more than 13 number. Where is there? In this one. More than 13 means 20 is the chance. So here you put the box. Okay. N by 2 means 13. 13 more than 13 number. You put the box. So in this one, this box upside number is the CF. Box upside number is the CF. Next, this is the F. So CF is 11. CF 11. F is the 9. F is the 9. Next, here this box last number is the L. L is equal to 40. Next, we want H. H means size of the class interval. 40 minus 20, 20. 60 minus 40, 20. 20 minus 0, 20. So, size of the class interval is the 20. H is equal to 20. Now, you know everything. So, first you write a formula. What is the median formula? First you write the median formula. What is the median? L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Formula keep in your mind properly. L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So now you apply the values. L means how much is there? L is the 40. This is the L. 40 plus n by 2. How much came? 13. N by 2 means 13 minus CF is the 11 divided by F is the 9 into H. How much is there? H is the 20. Now you simplify, you will get answer. 40 plus 13 minus 11, 2 by 9 into 20. Okay, any cancel possible? No. So, 40 plus 220 is a 40 by 9. See here, 40 plus 40 by 9. 40 by 9. 40 divided by 9. 40 divided by 9 means you will get 4.444. It is repeating. Okay. So, point after we will take only 2 digits. So, 40 plus 4, 44.44 is the, this is